So, good morning, sir. I am Midshipman Wendell L. Valientos, BSMT, Section G2A. This is my recitation in call regs. Rule number 4, application. Rules in this section apply in any condition of visibility. Section G. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which from the nature of her works is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by the rules and is therefore unable to keep or out of way of another vessel. The term vessel restricted in their ability to maneuver shall include but not be limited to I. A vessel engaged in laying, servicing, or picking up navigation mark, submarine, cable, or pipeline. A vessel engaged in dredging, surveying, or underwater operation. A vessel engaged in replacement or transferring persons pro vessel or cargo while underway. A vessel engaged in the launching or recovery or aircraft. B. A vessel engaged in mini clearance operations. A vessel engaged in a towing operation such as surely restricts the following vessel and her low in their ability to devise from their course. Section 8. The term vessel constrained by her draught means a power-driven vessel which because of her draught in relationship to able available depth and width of navigable water is a vessel restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. Section I. The word underway means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground.